Happy morning to you, my lovely kids. Yes, very excited to know what is the next topic for general knowledge. Yes, today we are going to meet our aquatic friends, the beautiful aquatic life that the nature has given us. Okay, so what is the topic? General knowledge. We are going to learn about the most beautiful fishes, our aquatic लाइफ, पानी में रहने वाले जानवर के बारे में, फिशेस के बारे में, द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल फिशेस. सो वेरी नाइस, वेरी लवली. यस, द नेम ऑफ दैट फिश इज betta fish. And let's know more about betta fish. Can you see this picture? They come in different colors. It can survive outside water for several hours. If it remains moist, अगर उसके बॉडी में नमी होगा, water content, water is there on its body, then it can remain, it can survive, जिंदा रह सकता है. We all know ना, fish comes out of water, if fish is put out of water, fish dies, मछली मर जाती है. But this fish, even if it is out of water for several hours, if it has moist, थोड़ा गीलापन, wetness on its body, it can remain alive. Okay, one more interesting thing about betta fish, you can see it over here. What is it? Betta fish releases bubbles छोड़ते हैं, and below that bubbles it lays the eggs, so that these bubbles protects the egg of betta fish. Isn't that very interesting? See the number of bubbles that it has released on the surface of the water. So the bubble nest on the surface of the water to protect its egg and its newly hatched little babies. So it uses the bubble to protect its egg and its babies. What next? Mandarin fish. Repeat, mandarin fish. Isn't it? I will give you a clue. First we learned about betta fish. Let me show you again. We learned about betta fish. Remember, betta fish for bubble, B for bee. Okay, betta fish makes bubble nest. That is how you are going to remember. Next one, mandarin fish. Remember, mendak. See, it is having the look of a frog. Mendak जैसे दिखता है. Yes. And look at the eyes. The eyes is bulging. The eyes is coming out, protruding outside. So look, it is a small sized but bright colored fish with bulging eyes. And what is the use of this bulging eyes? This helps it to hunt for food. Because of its bulging eye, it can hunt for food underwater. It can find the food and eat in dim light environment of the sea. So remember, this is mandarin mendak. And you know how the frogs have bulging eyes? Remember, mandarin has bulging eyes and it can see in dim light also. Yeah. The Moorish idol. This is the Moorish idol. And if you look carefully, you will notice they all are in group. Yes, they are together. Not one, so many. And that is the speciality of Moorish idol. Moorish idol, it is social in nature. You know what is the meaning of social? Being with the others, being with the group. It is social in nature and prefers to stay in group. It gets its name from Moors of Africa. Moors of Africa are the tribal people of Africa. Africa में रहने वाले लोग जो Moor tribes के लोग हैं, they believe that this fish brings happiness. And children, हैप्पीनेस क्यों नहीं आएगा? वो तो हमेशा ग्रुप में रहता है. एंड इफ यू आर ऑलवेज टुगेदर इन ए ग्रुप विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, you will be happy. Yes, so this fish is always in group a social fish, and therefore it is a symbol of happiness. Who believes it? The Moors of Africa, the people, the Moor tribals of Africa. And so it has got the name Moorish idol. What's this? Clownfish. Clown यानी जोकर. जोकर जैसे दिखता है ना. How जोकर has that frills around its neck. White color का frill होता है ना जोकर का. Like that, this also has a white frill like clown. So it is called as clownfish. And what is the speciality? Look carefully. You can see this finger-like long elongated strings-like thing. Yes, they are tentacles. Okay, and these are the tentacles of sea anemone. Sea anemone is also an animal that live in the water. They are not plants. They look like plants, but this sea anemone is actually soft body wala animal. Soft, ekdam soft hai. And it got tentacles, long branch like finger like substance. That is called tentacles. And what this fish do? This clownfish can go inside these tentacles to hide itself and protect itself from its predators. जो उसको खाने को आती है ना मछली, उससे बचने के लिए it goes inside the tentacles of the sea anemone. But you know, only this fish can survive it. The other fishes who goes there die. Why? Because it is the only fish that can survive the deadly sting of the sea anemone. The sea anemone has got sting. मधुमक्खी का देखा है ना आप, आपको लग जाता है तो पियर्स करता है तो दर्द होता है. Yes, like that. This fish also got tentacles which has sting, and if you get a sting, it pains a lot. Yes, but for this clownfish, it makes no difference. उसको कुछ नहीं होता. It is the only fish that can survive the deadly sting of the sea anemone. He doesn't get affected. So they both are friends. Okay, clownfish hides in the tentacles of the sea anemone, and sea anemone is also happy with the clownfish because the sea anemone gets the leftover food of the clownfish. So they both are helping each other. They are helping, the sea anemone is helping the clownfish to hide and protect itself, and the clownfish is helping the sea anemone to get bits and shreds of the leftover food that it is eating. So they are good friends. What is this? The simple name is sea goldie and its real name is Lyrtail anthias. Okay, Lyrtail anthias. It can also be called goldie, sea goldie. It's like golden fish. They come in 3 colors. It is a small sized and golden, blue and pink colored fish. All these fishes are females when they are born. जब वो पैदा होते हैं, छोटे होते हैं, तो वो सब लड़कियां होते हैं. They all are females. But as they grow, they change into males. There's a spelling error here. M-A-L-E-S. They grow, change into males. लड़के बन जाते हैं. Okay. Next one. Parrotfish. It looks like a parrot. And specially look at the beak. उसकी चोंच देखो. I will show you the other picture. See, look at the beak. And the speciality of this parrotfish is its beak is like that of a parrot and it cannot close. You find other fishes, the mouth is closed. But for parrotfish, it is always open. Okay? And it can change its gender. वो लड़का लड़की बन सकता है. It can change its gender many times throughout its life. And to protect itself, what it does? It makes a transparent covering of mucus. Mucus means thick sticky liquid को अपने body पे spread कर लेता है. So it makes a transparent covering of mucus around itself to help to protect it from predators. उसे खाने आता है, उस फिश से बचने के लिए वो अपने पूरे बॉडी पे स्टिकी मुकस लगाता है. Lion fish. You know everybody is afraid of lion. Yes, this fish also is a fish which every other fish is afraid of. Lion fish. Why everyone is afraid of this lion fish? Because see, it got venomous spines, and these spines helps it to protect itself. It can also camouflage to capture its prey, mainly fish and shrimp. So what is the meaning of camouflage? Camouflage means it can change its body's color to the color of its environment, or the color of whatever environment it is in. So you see, surrounding it is brown, so this fish has to change its color to brown color. Yes, so this is the speciality of the lionfish. Next, Bangai cardinal fish, very tiny one, and they are silvery, shiny in color. See here, you can see they are silvery, shiny in color. It is an endangered nocturnal fish found in the shallow marine water, and its body is shiny, silver, and distinctively marked with black bars, 3 black lines. Silver shiny, and that is the clue for you. Silver shiny or nocturnal means रात को तारे आते हैं ना, silver और shiny. This fish also is silver and shiny. So remember, it is an endangered nocturnal fish. Nocturnal means जो रात को झांकता रहता है, जो रात को सब काम करता रहता है. The fish that is very active at night. Quiz time for you. And this exercise I have put specially because it is there in your textbook. So I have come up with the picture and the answer for you. The fastest fish with the speed of 110 km per hour. There are clues in your book, and the answer is, children, sailfish. Sailfish keeps on sailing at great speed. Next one, the smallest fish, that is just 8 to 10 mm, smallest fish. And the name is little bit difficult, but let's pronounce it together. Pedocyprus progentica. Okay, you have to break the word and read it. I will repeat, Pedocyprus progentica. Okay, next one. The heaviest, like elephant, you know, the heaviest bony fish is the ocean sunfish. The largest freshwater, not the sea water, that is whale. This is largest freshwater is beluga sturgeon. Okay, come on, next. You all enjoyed seeing the aquatic life in water, but children, what are we doing? Are we taking care of them and protecting them? No. Aquatic life is getting destroyed. Increased water pollution. We are making the water dirty, and so we are destroying this life, aquatic life. Protect water bodies from pollution. Don't throw rubbish and garbage and dirt into water, because this pretty, beautiful aquatic life that nature has given us gets destroyed. They need our help to survive. So here is the worksheet, the exercise, the help box is given. All you have to remember is to pick up the words, the name of the fish, and put it against the description of each fish. I will read the questions for you. It has venomous spines for defense and camouflage to capture its prey. So you have to guess and write it. I can give you a clue for the first one. It's lionfish. Yes. Next, it can change its gender. throughout its life and has a transparent covering of mucus around itself. Next one, children. It is endangered nocturnal fish found in the shallow marine water. Its body is shiny, silver and distinctively marked with 3 vertical black bars. It can survive outside water for several hours if it remains moist. We have learned the first one, betta fish. Yes, it is small sized bright colored fish with the bulging eye. I gave you the clue, mendak jaisa, mandarin fish. So that is how you will remember. This fish lives in the tentacles of sea anemone. Yes, which one? Clownfish. It is small sized and all these fishes are females when born, but they grow up and they become male. You will write now on your own. It is social in nature and derives its name from the Moors of Africa. There is a clue, Moors of Africa. So, the Moorish idol. So, children, I hope you will all do the worksheet correctly. Happy learning. God bless you all.